Investing in the stock market is one of the most effective ways to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. However, many feel intimidated by its complexities and risks. By following proven strategies and adopting a disciplined approach, you can navigate the market confidently and maximize your returns. Why invest in the stock market? Wealth creation. Historically, the stock market has delivered an average annual return of around 7% to 10%, outpacing inflation and other investment vehicles. Passive income. Dividends from stocks provide a steady stream of income. Compounding power. Reinvested earnings can grow exponentially over time, amplifying your wealth. Liquidity. Stocks are easy to buy and sell, giving you access to your money when needed. Proven tips to master the stock market. 1. Start with clear goals. Define what you want to achieve: retirement savings, a down payment for a house, or financial independence. Your goals will determine your investment timeline and risk tolerance. 2. Educate yourself. Learn the basics. Understand terms like dividends, market cap, P/E ratios, and ETFs. Stay informed. Follow financial news and credible investment resources. Use tools. Platforms like Investopedia or apps like Robinhood and E-Trade offer beginner-friendly guides. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes. Include stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds to balance risk and reward. Avoid putting all your money into one company or industry. 4. Think long-term. Ignore daily market fluctuations. Focus on the bigger picture. Use a buy and hold strategy to take advantage of compounding. Invest consistently through dollar-cost averaging to reduce the impact of market volatility. 5. Choose quality investments. Research companies with strong financials, competitive advantages, and a history of growth. Focus on blue-chip stocks, index funds, and dividend-paying companies for stability. Avoid chasing trends or hot stocks without thorough analysis. 6. Manage risk wisely. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Set stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses. Regularly rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. 7. Leverage tax-advantaged accounts. Use IRAs or 401ks to save on taxes while growing your investments. Take advantage of employer matching contributions for free money. 8. Stay disciplined. Avoid emotional decision-making during market highs and lows. Stick to your investment plan and avoid impulsive trades. Review your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your goals. Mistakes to avoid. Timing the market. Predicting market movements is nearly impossible. Instead, focus on consistent investing. Overtrading. Frequent buying and selling can lead to high fees and missed gains. Ignoring fees. Watch out for hidden costs in mutual funds and trading platforms. Neglecting research. Invest time in understanding what you're buying. The path to financial freedom. By mastering the stock market, you can grow your wealth steadily and unlock opportunities for financial independence. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, these strategies will guide you toward success. Start small, stay consistent, and let time and compounding do the heavy lifting. Your journey to financial freedom begins today. Invest wisely and watch your wealth flourish.